Assalamualaikum kids. I hope that you all are having a great week. Well, this is your English teacher Ms. Javeria with another interesting grammar topic today. My dear students, today we are going to continue our unit number 3, I want to eat. Here I have a picture on the board. As you can see, today we are going to write a composition on these pictures. So at first you have to open page number 18, exercise A. On this exercise, there is a picture. You can see in your books and you can see on the board as well. At first, let me introduce you to some characters for this picture. There is a boy who is eating a pancake. His name is Tom. There is a girl who is dancing. Her name is Sarah. There is a boy who is running away from something. His name is Ali. There is a man who is hitting a rat. He is the daddy. There is a girl who is sleeping on the couch on the sofa. Her name is Fiza. And there is one lady sitting on the sofa. She's drinking some cola. She is the mom. So today we are going to write some sentences according to this picture. So at first, can you see what is Tom doing here? Can you see? Can you tell me what is he doing here? Yes, it is very easy. Here we can see that Tom is eating a pancake. What is he doing? You can see in the picture as well that he is enjoying, he is having a pancake. So what we have written here? We have written a very simple sentence. Tom is eating a pancake. Now let's move towards the next action which is going on here. What is this girl doing? Her name is Sarah. And what is she doing? She is dancing. So we are going to write it as Sarah is dancing, as she is looking very happy because she is dancing, so she must be enjoying this. Now let's move towards the next picture. There is a boy who is looking very scared. He is running away from something. So what we are going to write? We are going to write that Ali is running away from what he is running away. Can you see in the picture? There is a rat here. So he must be afraid of this rat and he is running away from this rat. So we are going to write it as Ali is running away from a rat. Are you afraid of rats? Well, I am really scared of them. Now let's move towards the next sentence. What is daddy doing here? He is hitting the rat. So we are going to write daddy is hitting the rat. Now let's move towards the next picture. As you can see that there is a beautiful girl who is sleeping on the sofa. So what we are going to write? We are going to write it as, what's her name? Her name is Fiza. So we will write it as Fiza is, what is she doing? Fiza is sleeping. She is resting. Now let's move towards the last picture, which is there is a lady who is sitting on a sofa and she is like drinking something. What is she drinking? She is drinking cola. And what's her name? She is the mom of these kids. So we are going to write mom is drinking cola. Now let's repeat all these sentences with me. Tom is eating a pancake. Sarah is dancing. Ali is running away from a rat. Daddy is hitting the rat. Fiza is sleeping. Mom is drinking cola. So my dear students, that was all today's for our picture composition today. You have to write this composition in your grammar copies very neatly, but at first you have to open this page number 18. Exercise A, there is a picture, the same picture is over there. You have to look at the picture carefully and then you have to write all these sentences. Let's repeat once again. Tom is eating a pancake, Sarah is dancing, Ali is running away from a rat, Daddy is hitting the rat, Fiza is sleeping, Mom is drinking cola. Alright kids, so here we have one more grammar exercise. Let's move towards that interesting exercise. That is exercise B on page number 19. In this exercise, I will write some sentences here and we are going to punctuate those sentences. Now what is punctuation? we have to put the first letter as a capital one, and at the end of the sentence we will have to mark a full stop. What do we have to do? Copy the sentences, start with capital letters at the beginning, put full stops at the end. Now let's start writing these simple sentences. For example, the first sentence is, in your books it is already written, but those sentences are not punctuated, so I am writing it at the same way at first. It is written as cows eat grass. So here you can see that this is a proper sentence, but this sentence is not punctuated. The first letter here is small and there is no full stop at the end. So we will rewrite this sentence in a correct way. How we are going to write this? We are going to write it as, we are going to make the first letter capital like this, cows eat grass, and then at the end of the sentence we are going to put a full stop here. The rest of the sentence will remain same. What you have to do, it is very simple. At the beginning you have to make the first letter capital, and at the end of the sentence you will have to mark a full stop here. Cows eat grass. Cows eat grass. Now let's move towards the next sentence. Alright, now let's move towards the next sentence, which is written as dogs eat meat. In the same way it is written in your books that dogs eat meat. We are going to punctuate this sentence. How we are going to do this? Like in the same way as we have done in the first sentence, we are going to make the first letter capital, and then we'll have to mark a full stop at the end of the sentence. We are going to write it as dogs. What we have done here? We have made this first letter as a capital one. Dogs eat meat, and then at the end of this sentence we are going to mark a full stop. Now let's repeat first these two sentences with me. Cows eat grass, dogs eat meat. Now let's move towards the next sentence. Hens eat seeds. Now in the same way we are going to punctuate this sentence, that we are going to make the first letter capital and then a full stop at the end. How we are going to do this? Very simple. H, we have made it capital, and then the rest of the sentence will be same. Hens eat seeds, and then at the end of the sentence what we are going to do? We are going to mark a full stop. Now let's move towards the next sentence, which is snakes eat frogs. Snakes eat frogs. Now what we are going to do? The same thing which we are doing from the first sentence. We are going to make the first letter as a capital one here, like this, snakes. The rest of the sentence will remain same. Snakes eat frogs, and then a full stop at the end. Now let's move towards the next sentence, which is frogs eat insects. Frogs eat insects. Now what we are going to do? We are going to make the first letter capital, and then the rest of the sentence will be same, and then we are going to mark a full stop at the end. Let's repeat these sentences. Cows eat grass, dogs eat meat, hens eat seeds, snakes eat frogs, and frogs eat insects. Now let's move toward the last sentence, which is insects eat us. Is that true? Do insects really eat us? Have you ever bitten by an insect ever? Insects eat us. Now let's do this. This is going to be your last sentence for today's. First letter capital I. Insects eat us. The rest of the sentence will be same, and then you are going to mark a full stop here. This punctuation is the easiest. What you have to do? You just have to make the first letter capital, and then you have to mark or put a full stop at the end. So my dear student, that was today's lesson. I hope that you have enjoyed our today's lesson. I will catch you inshallah next week with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.